Our next dissection live stream is going to be on June 21st and 22nd, and the topic is Express Yourself. We'll be looking at structures of self-expression, including our eyes, our face, all of the cranial nerves, and the muscles of chewing. We'll be also looking at the vagus nerve, the 10th cranial nerve, which comes down from the brainstem, out the jugular foramen, between the carotid artery and jugular vein, around our pharyngeal muscles, the voice box. It influences the way we speak. Our nervous system is constantly listening for cues of safety and cues of danger, and often our ability to communicate is whether we feel safe or not. We'll be with Master Dissector Todd Garcia, who will be exploring all of these structures in a way we haven't really seen them before, including the inside of the jaw, the pterygoids, lateral and medial, the tongue, all of the muscles around the face, and also with commentary by me, Mel Burns, CEO of Anatomy Trains, and I also teach the polyvagal theory, and Thad Dudry, who is an ATSI teacher, also a lab instructor. This will be translated into Japanese by Kaori Tani, and we'll be working with the team at Kineticos to bring this to you live stream for 2 3-hour modules, June 21st and 22nd, or 22nd, 23rd, depending on which time zone you're in. Please join us. We'd love to be with you.